Alright guys, got another one of these little mufflers. Pretty cheap. Gonna put it on this red quad over here. I already got one on this blue one. And before I do that, I can give you a quick demonstration of that. As long as it starts, I think I shut the food off on this. Alright. Now I'll get one over here. Stay tuned. Also wanted to throw in there these little hand guards that I picked up. Like $8 a piece or so, but they do the job. They're cheap, but they work. Got some for both of them. Even got some for the bike here, which is a project in the future. What's it, 50? Probably be, I don't know, pre-built 125 when I'm done. Got this little plot of land here. Building a little track for my son. It's his quad. The blue one's his, the red one's mine. Got a good deal on both of them.